How to make the water soft in the aquarium? If you have hard water and want to make it softer for your aquarium, there are a few methods you can try. It's important to note that some fish species actually prefer harder water, so make sure to research the specific requirements of the fish you plan to keep before attempting to soften the water. Here are a few methods to consider. Reverse osmosis water. Using a reverse osmosis system is one of the most effective ways to produce soft water for your aquarium. This system filters out impurities, including minerals, from the water, resulting in softer water. You can find RO systems designed specifically for aquariums or consider purchasing RO water from a local fish store. Peat moss or Indian almond leaves. Adding peat moss or Indian almond leaves to your aquarium can help soften the water naturally. These natural substances release tannins, which can lower the pH and make the water softer. Simply place a small amount of peat moss or a few Indian almond leaves in a mesh bag or filter media bag and let it soak in the aquarium. The water may turn slightly brown, but this is normal and will not harm your fish. Distilled or rainwater. Using distilled water or rainwater is another option to consider. Distilled water has had impurities removed through the distillation process, which results in very soft water. Rainwater is naturally soft and can be collected and used for your aquarium after ensuring it is free from any pollutants or contaminants. Commercial water conditioners. There are commercially available water conditioners that can help soften the water. These products typically contain chemicals that bind to the minerals in the water, making it softer. Follow the instructions on the product label for proper dosage and usage. It's important to note that when making significant changes to the water parameters, such as pH and hardness, it should be done gradually to avoid stressing the fish. Sudden and drastic changes in water parameters can be harmful to fish and other aquatic organisms. Remember to monitor the water parameters regularly using test kits to ensure that the water remains within the appropriate range for the fish you are keeping. If you're unsure about the specific needs of your fish or how to soften the water, consulting with a knowledgeable aquarium professional or a local fish store can provide valuable guidance. I hope these suggestions help you in achieving the desired water conditions for your aquarium. Let me know if you have any further questions. If you found the video useful, then please subscribe to the channel. I would be very grateful. Bye everyone.